This is Soft Cell Electrical with how to install a basic outlet. They don't get much more basic than this. This is a feed through. You can tell because it has 4 wires, 2 feet in, 2 feet out. First, let's connect the neutrals, which go on to the silver wire. And now our hots, which go on to the golden wire. And last, we put on the ground, which goes on the green screw. You do the standard Z stuff, make that into a Z or an S, however you want to look at it. And then you put your cover plate on. And that's how you install a standard outlet, 120 volts, 60 cycles. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.